So I got these, the steak parts. I got them wood burned, and I kind of burned the tip and the ends. Oh, focus. A little more to kind of give it more of that, I don't know, I guess a protection. I kind of saw some videos that burning the wood actually kind of protects it a little bit more. So I did that, and I like how it looks. This is just plain, just the wood being burnt. And this has the clear gloss spray on it, and it just looks so pretty. I love it. Turned out really good. And I didn't do that side because I'm going to wood glue it on the sign and then screw it in, and then I'll do another coating kind of over. I had to get more wood, and they didn't have the size that I originally got, so I had to go with what I could find, and I just traced the signs on there. I fit 2 on each of these boards. They were fairly cheap. You know, I don't remember how much they were. $2 something, just over $2. So I needed, I think, 8 more stakes for the signs. So I think, yeah. So I got 2 on each board here, and then I just got to cut them out and then repeat the burning process. Although I wish I had a better way to do it, because man, this cramps up my hands and I have to constantly refill it. It's just kind of a pain in the ass. But here's my signs so far. I've got the clear coat on the front. I don't have it on the back side yet because, again, like I said, I'm going to wood glue, and I didn't want the gloss to interfere with it connecting with the wood. So I wanted it to really stick to the wood and glue, and then I'll spray over that for protection. Back up a little bit here. So I've got these all sprayed, and gosh, oh my god, sorry, my garage needs cleaned out, but the shine, it just, oh man, I love how they turned out. They just look so good to me. The lighting in here sucks, I'm sorry. This is what I got. The onion kind of looks like a pumpkin, but that was as good as I could get with the onion. I think the green bean one's my favorite, aside from the tomatoes. I don't know. This pepper one looks pretty good too. The garlic's okay, but I like how the green beans turned out and look. I don't know. This is just kind of where I'm at right now. Got it all wood burn. Got the gloss on the front. So I just gotta get those cut out, finish it, put it together, and we're done. Gosh. Oh, this is what I used. Not promoting or anything, but hopefully that works. For weather protection, being outdoors and whatnot. If not, you know, if y'all could let me know, maybe I could go over it with something else. I didn't want to do polyurethane. I've done polyurethane before, and it always changed, like it yellows, and it looks terrible. And I have, God, sorry, I'm tripping over my shovel here. I've had the best luck with this lately. It doesn't yellow or anything, and I've done some other projects that I've painted, and it doesn't yellow, and it looks good, has a good coating over it, and protects it pretty well. So it's kind of where we're at.